If you want to unlink your Airbnb account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Airbnb. Visit the Airbnb website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Account. In App, tap on Profile and then Account. Step 3. Go to Linked Accounts. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Linked Accounts or Social Connections. Click on this option to view all accounts linked to your Airbnb profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Find the Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on this option to remove the connection between your Airbnb and Facebook accounts. Step 5. Confirm the action. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to unlink your Facebook account. Confirm the action to finalize the unlinking process. After completing these steps, your Airbnb account will no longer be connected to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Airbnb support for further assistance.